Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Nup Effects. I am your host. I am Chris, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, but kind of the same. Now, if you get that reference, you're obviously a mountain biker. But I don't know if y'all recall, I have a Jurassic World tribute vehicle. My truck is decked out to look like an asset containment unit recovery vehicle, where I have made props to go in the bed of the truck, like a Raptor Cage, an egg incubator, and a combi cage. And I was happy with the Raptor Cage at the beginning, but then the more I looked at it, the snout seemed a little bit big for the size of the box that is used for that. So I modeled up a more puppy looking Velociraptor, and I'm going to be painting the eyes, finishing up the skin on that, and then creating the little head contraption that you see in the movie, but in a smaller form, in a more youthful form that goes on that cage, so that we can basically make it look more proportional to the size of the Velociraptor that's in it. So in that sense, we're doing something kind of different but kind of the same. So we're upgrading the props that go into the back of the truck. So let's just jump right in.